Welcome to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will dive into the famous alpha ray scattering experiment, which helped Rutherford to make the planetary model of atom. In the late 1800s, J. Thomson gave an atomic model named plum pudding model, but this plum pudding model had some limitations. To find those limitations and give a more correct theory, Rutherford came. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford performed an experiment called alpha ray scattering experiment. With the help of this experiment, Rutherford gave his planetary model of atom. The experiment set up, firstly, lead box, which helped to carry radioactive element. Then, our radioactive element named radium with atomic number 88 and mass number 226 to emit alpha rays. Next is two slits, which helps to streamline the rays. Then there is the gold thin sheet, which is 10 raised to the power minus 6 millimeter, this here to check the atomic structure. Then he covered this whole setup with a zinc sulfide screen. The experiment. The rays started to emit and got streamlined with the slits. Then they fell on the gold sheet, and the got deflected on different angles from their path. Observations of the experiment: maximum alpha particles passed through AU foil without any deflection. Few alpha particles experience deflection. Very few alpha particle retrace their path, 1 out of 2,000. This experiment helped very much to describe the planetary model of atom, which we will see in next lecture. Thank you. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.